Hello! Today we are going to be taking a look inside this first aid burn kit. This is another product from the same company that I extremely enjoy. And in previous videos you were able to see the first aid kit large. It's got exactly the same form factor. The only visual difference is that you've got a different color of that zipper, but they are identical in terms of size. This first aid kit is dedicated for burns, but if you take a look at the large first aid kit, you will also find a single burn gel dressing. Over a couple years I purchased multiple different first aid kits from that company, and they are absolutely screaming great quality. Even in my lab I've got a wall unit, but they are very expensive. But here with the gel burn kit, I deeply believe this is extremely good value for money, because the gel filled dressing that you can purchase like a standalone are very expensive, and this kit is a really good value. It is expensive, but the items itself are very, very expensive. So I think this is a great value for your money. Let's start from taking a look at our content. And here you can see what we've got inside, and also the reference number for reordering each part. Here we've got a generic information when always call for help. So when you've got like a 3rd degree burn, if the area that is affected is larger than your palm of the person that is injured, when you've got the chemical burns and one that are involving electricity, and also when you've got them on those sensitive areas. So you always call for help. Let's take a look here. So we've got our first aid, and you can scan that QR code to get their application. And here we've got a generic one. This is exactly the same that you can find on the large first aid kit. So this is not related to burns. Here you can see how to spot a different level of burns, and you've got very important information what kind of temp of water you should use, because many people use like a very cold water, which is not good. And you can see that we should stay inside like a 20 Celsius to 28 Celsius degree. So you don't want to put something really cold like from freezer. You want to stay in that area. And here you've got the different type of burns that you can apply your dressing that you've got in that set. And here you've got information how to do it. And as you can see, you can cut it if you would like to have like a good fit. So yeah, very nice. Let's see what we've got here. And you've got even information that you should not apply any heat. You should not poke your blisters with like hypodermic needle. You should remove the jewelry. Yeah, it is a very nice. Let's see what we've got inside. And we can see that here we've got our first item. And this is something that I seen in military, in like a combat rescue. We've got like a full face mask that you can apply if your face is affected. It is very big, and I can feel like the cold from the like water gel substance that is inside, and you can apply it into like a large area. So yeah, this is a beefy one. You can see how big it is. And here you've got the dimension. It is 30 centimeter by 40, and you've got the reference number. Here you can see the directions how to apply it, and you can see that you can squeeze out the liquid into your dressing. This is absolutely beautiful. Here we've got 2 smaller burn dressings. They are also gel. It is 20 by 20. We've got 2 of those, which is absolutely perfect. In that area we've got something that looks like a generic first aid kit, but all of those bandages are mostly designed to be used for securing your burn gel dressings, and that's because they do not have anything to adhere, they do not have any kind of glue, so you just put them and you should secure them by like elastic bandage, so you are not going to be ripping any skin away. So that's a very good idea. You also have got here a burn gel. This is actually something that you can see on my channel because I was testing it on my hand, and after squeezing it out it feels very cold and give you definitely a 100% instant relief when you are going to be using it. So very good. I keep one in my lab for like a burn from the soldering iron. What else we've got? Here we've got a generic 4-in-1 large dressings. They are very nice. We've got pair of shears. I tested them. They are working very nice. We've got set of gloves. Here we've got a burn cover hydrogel plaster that is in that size. I'm going to be opening one of those as soon the expiration date will hit, because I've got multiple units, so we are going to be rotating and the old one will go for like a science education video. We've got more of the small burn gel dressing. Here we've got 10 by 10. And as you can see, we've got 4 of them. As you were able to see, we've got a lot of different very expensive items that are very handy to have if you are exposed to the risk of being burned. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.